Welcome back to the channel. What have we got ourselves into today? Today we're going to be looking at a 1954 Ford Customline with a flat 6 239 cubic inch. Trying to reseat some valves. They've been ground to close a little better there. I'm going to flip the camera around and walk in and show you. There is the rear of a beautiful 1954 Customline, all redone. We're going to walk into the garage. Look at part of the interior in there. Look at that. That's a thing of beauty. We're walking along the side here. Now we're going to come up to the beast. There's that 239 cubic inch. And oh, there's a favorite old timer over there working on it. That's his baby. Anyway, we've reset the valves and everything's been reseated. It's all going to go back together again. If you like what you saw, press like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.